What's up YouTube, T LaShawn here, back with another video, and today, as you can see from the title, I will be showing you guys my twist out routine. Thanks to Impressions of Beauty, I got these two new products that I will be trying with my twist out. This one is a defining custard by Cream of Nature. Let's see if it will focus. I think this is as close as we're gonna get, but it says for dry and dehydrated hair, twist and hold. And then the other product is this curling jelly by Cream of Nature. It is a shrinkage defense. So we're gonna put these two to the test and see how they come out. So don't forget to follow all of my social medias, that will be right here, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Also turn on your post notifications so you can be notified every time I make a video. And let's get into it. All right, you guys, so I am back from washing my hair, and so now I'm going to get into my twist out. I do 3-strand twists instead of 2-strand. Why do I do that? I just feel like 3-strand twists are more secure for my hair, so that's what I do. I got these two new products. I don't know if I told y'all in the beginning or not, but I'm gonna see how this works for my twist out. Hopefully it comes out good. You'll see in the beginning and the end anyways, so you be the judge of that. But yeah, let's get into it, you guys. So typically I use Eco Styler gel for my twist out, but we're gonna see. All right, so I guess first I'm gonna go with this curling jelly. Smells good. It smells good. Okay, raking it into my hair. Y'all, this smells good. Oh wow, this is shrinkage defense, because my hair is usually okay. I don't know how this is gonna work. When they said shrinkage defense, they were not kidding. Then next I'm gonna do the defining custard. Looks like my hair is damaged. I don't know. Maybe it doesn't look like that to y'all, but y'all, it makes my hand feel weird. Okay, take my 3 parts. In the front, y'all, I start off with a braid and then I twist. I don't have a specific reason why I do that. I just do it. Okay, y'all, it makes my hand feel so weird. First twist down, 80 more to go. No, I'm playing. It's probably like 8 left. All right, boom, next section. So taking the curling jelly and raking it through. Next, what is this called? Defining custard. I wonder if I can use this as like a substitute for Eco Style. Y'all, if this come out good, I'm gonna have to keep using this, because you know Eco Styler gel make your hair hard. Okay, what y'all think? Okay. Oh, did y'all see that? Oh, did y'all? Oh my gosh. That is crazy. Let me see if I can do it again. Yeah, look at that. My wash and go would look so good. If these products don't work out for a twist out, I know it'll work for a wash and go.
Damn, Jacob, this shit crap.
Alright you guys, so I am done. In total I have 8 twists, so I will get back to you guys in 2 days. This is really big. Anyway, I'll get back to you guys in 2 days when it's fully dried and I'll be taking it down. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Also hit the notification bell so you can be notified every time I make a video. And I will be back. Alright you guys, so I am back 2 days later. I feel like my hair is completely dry, so we're gonna start with the takedown process. Let's get into it. Usually I just unravel like this, just twist the opposite way. It's looking good to me. It's looking good so far. Done with this side, so let's do this side. Yo, this is probably the best twist out result I've ever had. I'm definitely going to keep using these products for my twist out. The difference between the twist and hold and Eco Styler gets hard really quick, and with this one, once your hair dries, then your hair starts to get hard, so it takes longer, but that isn't a problem for me. Oh, this looks so good. All right you guys, so this is the final look. I like it. What do you guys think? So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Also turn on the notification bell so you can be notified every time I make a video. Comment down below what you guys think. So thanks Impressions of Beauty for these 2 products. These will be my new twist out products because this looks so good. And yeah, so I will see you guys in the next video.